These are the main events for the 25th of July. From the restoration of ancient empires to the dawn of the Steam Age, this date highlights the incredible progress and the tragic losses of human history. Major events. In 1261, Alexios Strategopoulos led Nicaean forces to recapture Constantinople. This decisive military action brought an end to the Latin Empire and marked the official re-establishment of the Byzantine Empire. Moving to 1814, George Stephenson changed the face of industry by completing the first practical steam locomotive. This invention served as a cornerstone for modern transport, accelerating the pace of global trade and travel. In 1943, World War II reached a turning point in Italy when Benito Mussolini was deposed and arrested. After a vote of no confidence by the fascist Grand Council, Marshal Pietro Badoglio was tasked with forming a new government. A somber moment occurred in 2000 when an Air France Concorde jet crashed shortly after takeoff in France. Heading for New York, the disaster resulted in the deaths of 113 people and signaled the beginning of the end for supersonic passenger travel. Minor events. During the Spanish-American War in 1898, United States forces invaded Puerto Rico. This action shifted control of the island away from Spain and began a new chapter in Puerto Rican and American history. In 1909, French aviator Louis Blériot made history by crossing the English Channel in a monoplane. This achievement was recorded as the world's first successful international overseas aeroplane flight. From the recapture of ancient capitals to the pioneers of the sky, July 25th has left an indelible mark on history. Thank you for watching, and we hope these insights help you better understand the moments that shaped our past.